Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today let's see 25 important GK questions. If you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Here is our first question. First metro train was started in which city of India? Answer: Kolkata. First metro train was started in Kolkata in India. Second question. Which type of budget used in India? Answer: zero-based budget. Zero-based budget is used in India. Third question. The salary of President of India. Answer: 5 lakhs. Salary of President of India is 5 lakhs. Next one. This is our fourth question. Who invented rocket in India? Answer: Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali introduced rocket in India. Fifth question. Which country shares the land border with maximum countries? Answer: China. So China shares the land border with maximum number of countries. Sixth one. The headquarters of International Court of Justice. Answer: Hague. Hague is situated in Netherlands. So headquarters of International Court of Justice is at Hague in Netherlands. Seventh question. Astronauts see outer sky as. Answer: black. When astronauts see the outer sky, it looks like black color. Eighth question. In which year Indian Railway was established? Answer: 1853 AD. Indian Railway was established in the year 1853. Ninth question. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Answer: Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut. Next one. When we observe Hindi Divas? Answer: September 14. September 14 is observed as the Hindi Divas in India. Next one. Hyderabad is situated on which river bank? Answer: Musi River. So Hyderabad is situated on the bank of river Musi. Next one. This is our 12th question. Earth rotates on its axis from dash to dash. Answer: west to east. Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. 13th question. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. 14th question. Our solar system exists in which galaxy? Answer: Milky Way galaxy. So Milky Way galaxy is our home galaxy. 15th question. India has won 8 times gold in which Olympic game? Answer: hockey. India has won 8 gold in hockey. 16th question. Number of rings present in Olympic logo? Answer: 5. So 5 interlaced rings on a white background and color of rings are blue, yellow, black, green and red. In that, blue color represents the continent Europe and yellow represents Asia, black represents Africa, green represents Australia and Oceania, and red ring represents Americas. 17th question. Which gas mainly found in biogas? Answer: methane. Methane is the main constituent of biogas. 18th question. In which year Amazon was established? Answer: 1994 AD. Amazon was established in the year 1994. 19th question. Which was the first newspaper in Hindi language? Answer: Udant Martand. Udant Martand is the first newspaper in Hindi language. 20th question. Tulsidas has written Ramcharitmanas in which language? Answer: Awadhi language. So, Ramcharitmanas written by Tulsidas, and he wrote this in Awadhi language. 21st question. Who wrote the famous song Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara? Answer: Shyamlal Gupta Parshad. Shyamlal Gupta Parshad wrote the famous song Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara. Next one. Ustad Bismillah Khan is associated with which musical instrument? Answer: Shehnai. Ustad Bismillah Khan is associated with Shehnai. 23rd question. Which woman was firstly submitted the Mount Everest in the world? Here it is not submitted, here it is submitted. SUMM. Answer: Junko Tabe. So, Junko Tabe is the first woman who submitted the Mount Everest. 24th question. Jaundice is associated with which organ? Answer: liver. Jaundice is associated with liver. Here it is our last question. Ashoka was influenced by which Buddhist monk? Answer: Upagupta. Upagupta was the Buddhist monk in whom Ashoka was influenced. So that's all about today's topic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the World of GK for more lessons.